Welcome back, guys, to Lowtech's under $50 gaming headset roundup. In this video, we're going to be taking a quick look at the Corsair HS35 stereo headset. These come in at $40. Let's get right into them. Alright, so here's the box of the Corsair HS35 stereo. It says it's a stereo gaming headset, which I totally believe, but it doesn't say it's compatible with Xbox or PS4. So we'll try that out, see if it does work or if it doesn't. It'd be kind of a bummer and kind of rule these out for the price. On the back, we say it has memory foam ear cups, custom tuned 50mm drivers, so you should have a bit more bass than some other ones. A detachable microphone, which is always good to see, and on-ear volume control and mute. So let's just open her up. Alright, so this is everything you get in the box. You get a little warranty guide, the headsets themselves, the detachable microphone, and a little extra rubber plug for where the microphone goes. Alright, so right off the bat, I actually do like the design quite a bit, apart from the red. You can get these in lots of different colors, but the only ones that were available were these reds and greens. I like the cable. Also comes with a rubber band, kind of like the Razer style, but actually stays on the cable itself, so that's super nice. You also get a volume rocker right here, and mic mute, and it is a detachable microphone. So right off the bat, they're pretty light. I like the foam and the mesh. It seems pretty breathable, pretty soft. Not the softest in the world, but definitely seems comfortable. The headband is also super well padded, maybe one of the best padded ones. The headband itself, underneath the plastic, is actually metal, which is always really nice to see at this price point. I'm not sure why they say they don't work with an Xbox One. We'll be testing that in the full video, but just seems to be a regular 3.5mm multi-jack, so they should work. And you do get a little bit of twist in the ear cup, which should make it pretty comfy. Alright, so let's take a listen to them. I do like that little rubber band and how it stays on the headphones themselves. Wow. Pretty bass heavy. So these sound totally different to some of the other ones we've already looked at, and I think they definitely have the most bass out of all of them, by far. They're also the loudest. They're really, really loud. Even at 40% volume on the computer and the headphone cranked to max, it's almost too loud. So they definitely have some amplification going on. And there's something weird. The highs are definitely lacking, and it kind of sounds like it's kind of in like an echo chamber or something, where the vocals sound pretty crushed, but at the same time, like, not crazy terrible. They're weird. They have a very unique sound signature for sure. I was not expecting that. I honestly think for gaming, these are going to be really good, because especially for FPSs and stuff, that you just want bass for explosion, or games that don't really have a lot of attention on like the soundtrack, but are more like effects driven. I think these are going to be really good for that. You will, I think, lose some detail in the high ends for sure, and these seem like some of the more isolated ones from the environment. Like, as soon as I put them on, even with no music, I just feel totally isolated. It's actually a little crazy. And I think for a lot of games that's going to be a really good thing. Let's listen to the mic real quick. Alright, so now you're hearing the Corsair HS35 gaming microphone. It seems a little bit less sensitive than some of the other ones, but that probably means really good things. When you get loud, it won't peak, because some of the other ones have peaked pretty badly. And yeah, I'm kind of shocked. These are $40, and we'll have to see if they actually work with the PS4 and Xbox One, because if they don't, that's going to be huge points off. I think these Corsairs are very comfortable too. They're a little tight, but how flexy they are kind of helps make up for that, because they sit on your ear really well. And they're very small too. These are some of the only headphones I actually have to do one click longer for them to fit over my ear. I think if you're looking for headset under $40, this is definitely a #1 contender. We'll have to see how they line up against all the other ones, but I think comfort is a good 7. Sound quality, just right out of the box with no EQ, I'm gonna give them like a 6 or a 7, because the bass is really, really strong, and I like bass, but I need to do some more listening to see if it's muddled bass or it's pretty precise. The only things that do get muddled in the noise are the highs and the upper mids. Some of the vocals seem a little quieter than I'd like, and some details lacking up there, but I think with some EQ, I think these will sound pretty good. Build quality, really good. They are plastic, but they're not rattling. They're flexible, so they're gonna last you a while. So yeah, I like the microfiber cups. Definitely stay tuned for the full roundup of these headphones compared to a SteelSeries, a Razer, Turtle Beach, some Plantronics, and a few others, just to see where they stack up, because I'm very, very curious to do some back-to-back testing with these. Alright guys, thank you for watching this unboxing and first impressions of the Corsair HS35s. Don't forget to subscribe to make sure you don't miss the full roundup between 6 gaming headsets around this price point. You won't want to miss it. See you guys in the next one.